Good afternoon. My name is Ludario Vega. March 20, 2022. Step 2 comprende Intellectual Property. Tutor Ingrid Tatiana Gómez. Step 2 comprende Intellectual Property. Effect: excessive processing time. Causing: lack of information. Waste of time. Ignorance of the producer. Unnecessary producer. Shortage of own resource. Resources not included in the budget. Several investments. Limited resource. Not complete with requirement. Absence in response to call. Poorly written papers. Incomplete papers. Lack of staff incompetence. Lack of staff training. Incomplete staff. Ignorance of the producer. Opposing information. Loss of time. Unnecessary formalities. Not standardized producer. Application rejection. Believe that it is sometimes totally new. Too long in the process. Recommendation: seek external advice to meet all the requirements and have the resources to carry out the entire process. Refrain from publishing the product before receiving the endorsement of the entity that regulates them. Thank you.